Hi, how are you? Welcome to my home. My name is Roberto. My last name is Bohorquez. My living room is very small. There is a small sofa and there is a small coffee table. There is a big television and home theater. There are two lamps. In the dining room, there is a big table with 4 chairs. On the wall, there is a big picture. There is a window with view at downtown. This is my kitchen. There is a big refrigerator and there is a big laundry. This is my fifth bathroom. There is a small bedroom is of my son. There is another room, it's mine. There is a small television. There is a second bathroom. Thank you. Bye.